Hello everyone, my name is Dream. Welcome back to my channel. So first of all, wish you and your family a very happy Diwali. And this transformation is all about festival outfits, but you can also wear it in functions if you wish to. Just choose some bright colors or beautiful colors because त्योहार के दिन और दिवाली के दिन काले कपड़े नहीं पहनते according to mothers. So just choose a bright and beautiful color. So moving on towards the transformation, I have divided the transformation in two parts because I really didn't want the video to be 20 or 25 minutes long. So I have divided the video in two parts, the top and the bottom. And moving on towards part 1, let's begin. Things you will need: design net fabric, main fabric, pants, t-shirt, measuring tape, scissors, chalk, pins, matching thread, lace, scale and tracing paper. Take your tracing paper and the pair of pants you want to trace. Place them like so. Start tracing it with a marker. Add 1 inch of seam allowance on each side equally. Similarly, trace the front part as well. And cut it down. Now place the cutout on your fabric like so and pin it so it is easy to cut and doesn't move much while cutting. And carefully cut it out. Do it for the other part as well. Once you have done that, we need to create a waistband for the pant. Measure the length and the width and cut it out. Now you should have total 4 pieces, 2 front and 2 back. Place the front part on the back facing right sides together and pin it from the sides. Similarly, do it for the other part as well. Close it both with a straight stitch. Place both the parts together facing right sides. Make sure the back is facing the back part and the front is facing the front. Pin down the crotch area of both the sides and close it down with a straight stitch. For the remaining middle part, close it with a straight stitch too. Try it on and do any alteration if needed. Now for making the cape or the half skirt, start marking 3 inches point on the fabric like so. Place the first point on the second and the third point on the second as well as shown. We are just trying to make a box pleats. Continue doing this until you get the desired length. On the front part of the pants, we need to mark where the cape will start and end as well. I wanted an opening in the middle. From the crotch point, mark 4 inches on both the sides equally. Take one end of the net and place it on the point mark. Pin down both the sides first and then pin down the complete skirt. Attach it with a straight stitch. Fold the waistband in half and mark the midpoint. Place the midpoint on the crotch line so it is equal, so you get equal on each side. And fold it again so you get the waistband of 2 inches. Pin the waistband completely and close it with a straight stitch.
Just to make me feel again I wanted something real. So just escape for a moment.
Don't forget to leave a small opening for inserting your elastic. With the help of a safety pin, insert your elastic.
I'm not lonely. But if you wanna go sometime, if you wanna leave
Once the ends are out,
baby, I'm lost,
attach them
I'm fading
together.
now. Baby, I'm lost, I'm fading
Also, don't forget to close down the remaining opening too.
sometime. Yeah, we
Lastly, for hemming the bottom of the pants, double fold it and close it with a top stitch.
baby, I'm lost.
And you're done. Thank you for watching. I hope you get inspired to transform something like this, because I got inspired from someone very special, and which I will let you know in the end of the video. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel for lots more beautiful fashion transformation, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and Facebook. And now, this was a complete coincidence, like complete coincidence, but she wore this outfit like 2 or 3 days ago, I believe, with a white shirt and everything, and I really had to do this, like thank you for watching, and until next time, dream. Bye.